Tom is reading a book.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I'm reading.
I'm reading.
Let's do something together.
Let's do something together.
Okay, what should we do? Okay, what should we do?
How about we play a game?
Yes! Let's play!
Yes, let's play!
What game do you want to play?
Let's play chess!
Let's set up the game.
I'm watching you, Mom.
Now let's start. I'll go first.
Okay, your turn. Okay, your turn.
We're playing chess now. I'm moving my knight. I'm moving my knight.
I'm moving my queen.
I'm moving my queen.
I think I'm winning.
I think I'm winning. I think I'm winning.
We'll see about that. We'll see about that.
I'll move here.
Check.
Check! Oh no! What should I do? Oh no! What should I do?
You can move your king. You can move your king.
I'll move my king here. I'll move my king here.
Your turn, Tom.
Your turn, Tom.
Okay, I'm thinking. Okay, I'm thinking. I moved my pawn. I moved my pawn.
Wow! Great move.
Great move.
Thanks, Mom. Your turn, Mom.
Okay, here I go.
Good one.
We're having fun.
I think it's getting late.
I think it's getting late.
Yes, it's almost bedtime. Yes, it's almost bedtime.
Can I play one more round? Can I play one more round?
Okay, just one more round. Okay, just one more round.
I'm letting Liz this time. I'm winning this time.
We'll see about that. We'll see about that.
Your turn. Okay, I got a 5. Nice, I landed on a shortcut. We're both enjoying the game. The game is almost over. Just a few more seconds. I think I'm going to win. I feel win.
Checkmate. Checkmate.
You won! You won!
I won, but you played well.
I won, but you played well. I'll play better next time. I'll play better next time.
You did great, Tom.
You did great, Tom.
Thanks, Mom. Thanks, Mom.
It's time to clean up the game. It's time to clean up the game. Max, let's go to bed.
Let's go to bed.
This way, sweetie. Mom tucks Max into bed. Good night, Max.
Good night, Mom. I love you.
Good night, I love you.
Max says goodnight to Mom.
I love you too, Max. Mom responds with love.
I'm feeling sleepy.
Max feels sleepy.
Let's get ready for bed.
It's bedtime.
Let's get ready for bed.
Max gets into bed, ready for sleep.
I'm ready for sleep. Good night, Mom.
Max falls asleep peacefully. Max is sleeping now. Max is sleeping now.
Good night, Max.
Mom says goodnight to Max again. Max's bedroom is peaceful now.
Mom quietly leaves Max's room.
The night is calm and quiet.
Max sleeps with his stuffed animals. It's 10 p.m. Time for sleep.
The moonlight gently lights up the room. The house is quiet and calm at night.
A soft breeze flows through the window.
The sun rises and the new day begins. Max wakes up feeling refreshed.
Good morning.
Max is happy to start a new day.
It's a beautiful day.
Good morning, Max. Mom greets Max with a big smile.
Max stretches and gets out of bed.
I'm ready for today.
Let's get dressed, Max.
Okay, Mom. There you go. I'm hungry, Mom.
Max and Mom are ready for breakfast.